Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a beautiful nail art look which can be very easily created with the use of nail art water decals. Water decals are available in hundreds and thousands of different designs. You can either go with the ones to cover your full nails or choose the smaller designs to fit in any part of your nail. The smaller designs are more beginner friendly as they can be easily placed and aligned on the nails. The larger designs meant to cover the full nails can be a little tricky to use as you need to first cut them according to the shape of your nail so that you can get the perfect fit. Now let's get into today's tutorial. Begin by painting your nails with 2 coats of your chosen base color. For today's design, I will be using this beautiful floral full nail water decal. Cut your water decal sheets into smaller pieces to fit your nails. Since my design requires only covering half of the nail, I will go on and cut each part into halves so that it can be used on 2 different nails. To make sure that your water decals fit properly onto your nails, place it over your nails and check the size. Once you know the size, cut all the extra bits and pieces so that cleanup is easier later on. All water decals come with a protective plastic film over them. Make sure to peel off the plastic before putting your water decals into the water, else they won't transfer and hence will be a total waste. Once you are done cutting your decals into smaller pieces and peeling off the plastic, you need to put them into some water. A pair of tweezers can also come handy in putting and taking out the decals from the water. Now take one piece of the decal and put it into the water. Let it sit in the water for about 10 to 15 seconds. When it is ready, remove the decal from the water and place it in between your fingertips. Then gently slide off the decal from its paper backing. If the decal does not come off from its paper backing easily, you need to put it back into the water for a few more seconds. Now it's time to place the decal onto your nails. I like to dunk my nail into the water before placing the decal on it. The wet surface makes it easier and gives you more time to move around the decal on your nail so that you can get the desired look before it dries out. Once you're happy with the placement of the decal and how it looks on your nails, use a paper napkin to soak up the excess water from the decal and your nails so that the decal can attach to your nails and dry up quickly. You can very easily remove the excess decal from your skin using a brush dipped in acetone. But be very careful and gentle while doing this because the acetone will start melting away the decal as soon as it touches it. Once you're done applying decals on all your nails, seal in the design with a clear coat or a top coat. I have noticed that some top coats may eat through the water decals. Therefore, I always prefer to first apply a layer of clear coat, and when it's dry, I go in with a fast drying top coat to get a nice shine and a glossy finish. For this design, I also added some rhinestones to my nails. Therefore, while the top coat was still wet, I added the rhinestones to the nails so that the top coat can act as a glue. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like, comment and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, take care and I will see you soon. Bye.